Hello friends, welcome you all. Today I am going to discuss with you one important topic which is related to foreign investment, that is foreign direct investment and its formal definitions, the sources of FDI in India. The most investment comes from which countries, we are going to discuss at the end of this video. India witnessed around 6% to 9% growth rate after 1991. So before 1991, India had just achieved 2% to 3% growth rate. That is, one economist called it Hindu rate of growth. But after openness in 1991, or after adopting the globalization by Indian economy, India experienced the growth rate which is more than 5%, or India had achieved 9% growth rate also. So this happened because the openness of economy, foreign investment came to India. Foreign companies started investing in India and created lot of backward and forward linkages. Backward linkages means when investment happens, some jobs or some production chain created before the production, and forward linkages means the some productions or services or employment created after the production of that particular investment. So it is called forward linkages. So FDI creates forward and backward linkages. FD in India, Indian economy performed well after 1991. So with the FDI or foreign investment, India got technology, India got skill, India got know-how, managerial skills. So there are a lot of benefits with FDI, with financial investment. So FDI or foreign direct investment is very important. So today I'm going to discuss what is FDI, its formal definition, and its the various forms. Let us discuss what is foreign direct investment. A foreign direct investment, in a simple word, is an investment made by a firm or individual in one country into business interest located in another country. So foreign direct investment is investment made by firm or individual in into other country. Generally, FDI takes place when an investor establishes foreign business operation or acquires foreign business asset in a foreign country. So establishment of new business in foreign country or acquiring a business asset in the other country. However, FDI are distinguished from portfolio investment. Portfolio investment means FII, foreign institutional investment. So portfolio investment means just investing in the securities, like purchasing the shares in the other countries or purchasing the bonds in the other countries. So it is a merely financial investment, not in actual production investment. So it is just purchasing the equities or securities in the foreign based companies or in foreign country. Otherwise, on the other hand, the FDI means investment in the the real production process in that particular in other country. So this is the difference between portfolio investment and foreign direct investment. So direct is a important word. So according to IMF and OECD definition, foreign direct investment is direct investment reflects the aim of obtaining a lasting interest by a resident entity of one economy. that is called direct investor in an enterprise that is resident in another economy, that is the direct investment enterprise. The lasting interest means the existence of a long term relationship between the direct investor